The government has called for an all-party meeting tomorrow, 11 a.m. This is huge. Like Gaurav and I have been discussing, this is not just about the government. This is about all Indians, irrespective of political differences. Government wants to ensure that the opposition is as much in loop on Operation Sindoor. And at a time like this, satellite images, ground visuals on the screen and from on the ground in Pakistan, 11 a.m. there will be opposition leaders who will also be part of this discussion. They will also be briefed. Piyush Mishra joins us on that. Piyush, this is significant because at this juncture, it must be said that there were most opposition leaders who were supportive of whatever decision the government would take. Why do you think the government also ensuring that the opposition will be in loop this time? And how? Tell us about the meeting tomorrow.
Well, Pooja, tomorrow at 11 a.m. this meeting has been called in. They are at the Parliament complex where all political parties have been asked to join, and the government is going to brief them about the Operation Sindoor. The sources are indicating that Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju will be there from the side of government, where they are going to brief all political parties about the Operation Sindoor. JP Nadda, in the capacity of BJP's national president, will participate, and all leaders of other political parties will be participating in this. You would also remember that when Pahalgam terror attack had taken place, soon after that itself, the government had briefed all political parties, and the government had told them about the kind of involvement of Pakistan and how the government intends to carry out a retaliatory action against Pakistan. After carrying out the Operation Sindoor, it is now imminent for the government to brief all political parties and take them in loop about the operation. You would also remember, Pooja, that when the government had briefed the political parties, every opposition political party had extended their support to the government, saying that they are standing in unison with the government and they will be supporting whatever action the government is going to take. So the actions those have been taken, these actions will be told to the political parties by the government, and that briefing will be led by Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Home Minister Amit Shah.